जलमार्गांची सुधारणा करूंक सरकार जायते यत्न करता. सरकारान फेरीबोटी वाडून पळयले, मात खात्याक जाय तसो फायदो जालो ना. सरकारान चोडना ते पणजी सोलार फेरी लेगीत सुरू केली, मात तसो रिस्पॉन्स ना. गोंयांत रोरो फेरी हाडपाक सरकाराचो प्लॅन, मात आजून रोरो फेरी येना. एके वटेन कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट लोकांक सुविधा दिवंक यत्न करता, मात लोकांचो जाय तसो असल्या गोष्टींक रिस्पॉन्स ना. रिस्पॉन्स असल्यारूय खात्याक जाय तसो फायदो जायना. आतां वॉटर मेट्रो हाडपाचो सरकाराचो प्लॅन.
See, recently the 16th Finance Commission had come to Goa and there was a proposal put up about this urban water metro. So now this same proposal, okay, the Finance Commission, I think must have put it to the IWAI, Inland Waterway Authority of India. So in the recent board meeting of IWAI, they studied this proposal and they have already, I think, appointed Kochi Metro, okay, to do a feasibility study for this to have this urban water metro in Goa. To come up with any project, I will make sure that there is no destruction of our environment. The routes will be mostly, from Panaji to Old Goa, Panaji to Diwar, Panaji to Aldona also was there earlier, Panaji to Marmangoa, and also from Marmangoa to Kandoli. Okay, so those and Baga and all we have to see, those feasibility we need to check. And then later on we'll see more roads, like even from Marmangoa to Kottali, Marmangoa to inside like Rashol. That also those routes are also feasible. We can roll out.
मजगती वॉटर मेट्रो आयली जाल्यार ताका रिस्पॉन्स मेळटलो की ना हो दुबाव. प्रुडंटा खातीर रुपेश राऊत.